So in this topic, we are going to discuss on how to write a content for your website, for your social media activity, or whatever it may be, especially a text content. Okay, so text content involves minimum two processes. Number one, this is called the keyword research. Number one is keyword research. Okay, and number two is obviously writing SEO optimized content. Writing an article that is SEO optimized content. See, if you are writing an article for a newspaper, for example, print media, right? When they print or write it in newspaper, there is print media. When you write an article for a print media, you don't need to be optimizing it for SEO because nobody is going to search in the physical newspaper using a search box. They are going to glimpse through it, correct? They are going to open, see
Correct.
where is the document and everything. So, writing and content for a news media or press media, that is entirely different from writing an article for a website. Okay, it is completely different because writing an article or a content for a website can be explored through search engines like Google. You are getting a point?
Yes, sir.
The content inside a website can be explored by a search engines like Google, where anybody can go out and start searching on how to, prepare the latest one, the Kabasura coordinate, right? That's what we call it as in Tamil. Okay, Kabasura coordinate Suram. Now you see NCBI, Amazon.com, Netmeds.com, lots of people are having content related to the keyword that the user is searching here. You are getting a point,
Right, sir.
right? Now people
Okay.
can click, open, and explore the database of search engines. Make sense?
Yeah, correct.
Database of websites available inside search engines. Okay, so the simple deal is whatever the keyword that the user is searching, if you add in your website, Google can potentially show it to other people. Make sense?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, how this search engine works and how all the stuff, let us see in the later stages. Okay. Or if you've already seen also, not a problem. We will validate it and we will again see it. Number one. So what I'm trying to do here is we are going to do a research called keyword research. Number one is keyword research and another one is writing the optimized content. Okay, as I've already said, a content should be a quality content, correct? Content should be
Yes,
a
sir.
quality content. Now we need to define few things. What is a quality content? What is a quality content? Especially a content that is really adding value to people. Number one, adding value to the readers or the visitors. Okay, the content generally the quality content is in depth with case studies, examples, statistics, and infographics. You're getting my point? Infographics.
Yes,
So combination of all this. Okay, infographics. So that is what it means. It is dynamic in nature. It includes lots of information inside. Okay, infographic. Okay, number two. And the third one is it is free from spell and grammar error. Basic, right? Nobody likes mistakes. Okay, it will be good if you have a content that is created with you know without spelling mistake and grammar errors. This is more than sufficient. Adding value and no plagiarism. The content is unique, which means no plagiarism. Makes sense? No duplicate content. Unique and fresh. When I say fresh, discuss about the latest topic or the related topic. Don't discuss about the topic which happened in 1980 where nobody searches in 2020. Okay. Mhm. correct? So fresh content.
Yes.
Which food will you prefer when you eat? A fresh food or that was prepared 3 days back?
Fresh food.
Fresh food, right? That's what I'm talking about. Content for a website is same as food for baby. Okay, content for a website is same as a food for baby. If you are feeding unhealthy food to a baby, the health of the baby is affected, correct?
Yes, sir.
If you are feeding unhealthy content, which is copy paste content or dummy content or thin content, low quality content, no value addition, then that is going to affect your website's health status. You are getting your point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to have your website healthy, learn to upload a quality unique content in your website on daily basis, regular basis. The question is, do you have to upload the content daily basis? Now I will ask you a question like this: do you have to eat every day to live healthy?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
So when we need to eat every day to keep us healthy, we need to supply regular content to your website to keep it healthy. Simple deal. Okay.
Yes.
If you are not eating food for 15 days, which means you are indirectly dead, energyless, correct? If you are not eating
Mm-hmm.
food for 5 years, again you are dead. That is the meaning, correct?
Yes, sir.
If your website is not having fresh, updated content, your website is also dead. This is what search engines decide. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
make sense? Okay, now how do we write the content? Basically, it undergoes two processes. Number one is keyword research. Okay, basically how to perform keyword research. Okay, so I will tell it in my style. Keyword research. Keyword research is a process of identifying a word or a phrase around which a content is developed for a website, which can be explored through search engines. The keyword must have a demand and must be written with good and detailed insights. I'm just saying something which comes to my mind, but this is the logic. Okay, so this is the concept. This is what we do in a keyword research. So, keyword research is a process of identifying a word or a phrase. Okay, don't worry about mistakes, gentlemen. If you are worried about mistake,
Yes,
you
yes.
will only
No,
correct
no, no. I'm
mistakes. Okay,
not at all. Not
okay.
at all. Yes.
So identifying a word or a phrase around which a content is developed for a website, which can be explored through search engines. Okay, so the must have must have a demand and must be written with good and in depth or good and detailed insights. Okay, that's also okay. So number one. So we need to understand one more thing. What is a keyword? You are getting my point? What is a keyword? What is it? A keyword is a phrase or a word. A keyword is a phrase or a word. Okay, it is taking a little delayed. Okay, let me try again. A keyword is a word or a phrase. Hmm, it is typing in Hindi something like that. Is it?
अच्छी बात
Okay. Keyword. I don't know. Somebody is imposing Hindi. A
it is.
keyword is a word or a phrase that is used by the search engine user to search his requirement. Okay, so a keyword is a word. It can be a single word or it can be a long phrase that is used by the search engine user to search his requirement. Indirectly, I can split this like this. Keyword can be split like this: key plus word, which means a word that acts as a key to display relevant information to the query. Whatever the query a user raises, the choice of words decides what information is displayed. You are getting a point?
Yes, sir.
The results displayed in Google is controlled by the choice of keyword used by the user, not by the search engine. Okay, the choice of
Okay.
words. When the user changes his choice of words, the results also will vary. Okay, look at this one. Okay, I'm going to search. Okay, best South Indian actor. Okay, I'm going to search this. So, what Google does, okay, look at this one. Google is looking for information related to my keywords. Number one is best, number two is South,
Top.
number three
Okay.
is Indian, number four is actor. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
Best South Indian actor. Now that is what it does. Can you see? There is a word called best, and Google
Yes.
looks into the content whichever is available, and it finds the word best. Can you see? There are 62 words that are called best here. See,
Okay.
correct? It is not looking for the exact word. It is looking
Mhm.
for the combination of the word. It looks for best. Correct?
Okay.
Right? And the next is the south. Can you see? 213 combination of words south. Okay, and the
Mhm.
next one is Indian. So whatever the word
Okay.
that I chosen is available inside the results, correct? And the
Yes.
last one is the actor. See,
Yes.
okay. Now what happens? Best South Indian actor. Best South Indian actor. So the keyword is exactly available only in 8 places. Can you see here?
Yes.
So each and every individual word was available more than 60 times. Okay. But the exact match is available only 8 times. Can you see?
Yes.
So Google does not display exact matching results. Okay. Google displays results that are related to the words that we choose. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I searched best South Indian actor, Google is showing me these results. Can you see? IMDb is coming at the top. Again, IMDb, Quora is coming at the top, and MSN.com. Correct?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
when I say best South Indian actor 2020, let me put it separately now so that we can identify. So when I change my choice of words, I add 2020, right? Now, this one, IMDb, top South Indian actor is coming, but when I look at this one, top South Indian actor is shown in the rich results, separate box, correct?
Mhm. Yes.
Now we have a YouTube coming here. When I said 2020, YouTube videos are showing a lot, correct?
Yes.
But when I did not use the word 2020, when I used only the word actor, lots of websites are coming. Now, the results, whichever is displayed after searching, is completely dependent on the choice of word used by the user. Okay. When the user
Okay.
changes the combination of word, the results also will be changing. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So this keyword is of four types of keywords. Four types of keywords. What are those four types of keywords? Basically, one word keyword. Okay, for example, actor. You're getting a point?
Okay.
Okay, actor. So keywords like this are one word keyword. Okay, T-E-R, right? Or O-R only. Okay, actor. Okay, so one word keyword. Okay, and another keyword you can guess easily. Two word keywords. Two word keywords. For example, okay, Indian actor. Okay, correct. This is two word keyword. You go ahead and search Indian actor, which means there are two words inside. Okay,
Okay.
right? When I say actor, it is very generic. So the meaning of actor is shown in dictionary, correct? When I say Indian actor, I am very
Yes.
specific. Not even specific, but
Yes. Well,
I'm defined or I'm
yes. At least a step. That means an
yeah
actor means an actor for the entire world.
world.
It is showing only the meaning of what actor actually signifies. Now, when
Yes,
you're telling Indian actor, now it is going to show you the list of Indian actors. It might be from 60s to 2020.
yes. Now what
You
happens?
can get the
The
entire list.
second query narrows down my search. Correct. From very broader category
Yes.
to very specific category. Correct. Right. Number one.
Yes.
So this is two word keyword. Now the third one is a three word keyword. Right. What is that? Kollywood. Kollywood itself means it is Indian actor only. You are getting a point.
Yes.
Right? Kollywood Indian actor, or I can say Bollywood Indian actor. Make sense?
Yes.
Right? So I'm restricting still, basically. Correct? Right? Kollywood. Okay. So we can restrict it like this also. Bollywood is there, that is like in foreign countries. So three word keyword. Okay. So when I say this, again the choice of words will decide the results that is displayed. You are getting a point? Most
Yes, sir.
probably, when I searched with the Kollywood Indian actor, it shows the similar results. But when I searched with the Indian actor, it shows the similar result because, okay, let me go with Bollywood. Hmm, okay. So now the keyword is Bollywood. Now Google knows, okay, Indian actor means Bollywood actor means at most similar. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
right. So these are
Yes.
three word keywords. Now, what I'm going to say, there is one more thing called four-word keyword or long-tail keywords. We're getting a point,
Yes, sir.
which means more than four words. A
Okay.
keyword with more than four words. Okay, long-tail keyword, which means top Indian actor paid high salary. You're getting a point.
Yes, sir.
So this is a long-tail keyword, which is longer in nature. Okay. Now what happens? The nature of the keyword, if you see, that is used by the user, the longer the keyword, the longer the keyword, it means the longer the keyword, the specific the need is. Okay. Okay. When the keyword is very longer, then the user is very specific. It is not generic. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The shorter the keyword is, more broader it is. The shorter the keyword, more broader it is, category it is. You're getting a point,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So the more shorter is more broader in the category, the more longer is very specific in nature. In other words, short keywords are broader and has high competition. There will be more competitors, okay, to rank, Look at this one. One word keyword has got these many results. See, I don't know how to count itself. Okay, right? Two word keyword has got results. Okay, that's not showing. Huh? Sorry,
Uh-huh.
because of the images, it's not showing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
how about the three word keyword? It is also not showing. Okay, so Indian actors. Let me be little bit specific. It is going to be so the same only. Okay, but anyway, the SERP, the list of websites, is not shown because of the image being displayed. Okay, anyway, so the more shorter the keyword is, more competitive it is, more longer the keyword. So when a keyword is short, it is broader and competitive. When a keyword is longer, a long keyword has less competition. Okay, a long keyword has got less competition and specific requirement. You're getting my point? So what are we going to do? We are going to do a keyword research process where we are going to identify long tail keywords with which we are going to write content. You are getting a point? So the keyword research process, what are we going to do? In the keyword research process, in the process of keyword research, the process of keyword research, we will identify the list of keywords. Okay, list of keywords that has specific requirement and demand. Okay, this is the process. We are going to write a content about a topic which has a specific need. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us not write about pen. If you start writing about pen, there are millions and millions of sites that is discussing about pen. Okay, right? When you start writing about pen drive, I am still navigating or narrowing down to pen drive. Correct. Right.
Mm-hmm.
I can still narrow it down to mobile pen drive. Okay, and I can
Okay.
narrow down still with a brand SanDisk mobile pen drive. Correct. I
Yes.
can narrow down a lot. Now this is the keyword research process. Okay.
Yes.
Now how to identify the keywords that are searched by searched by the search engine users. Search engine users are coming and searching the keyword, right, online,
Yes. Yes, sir.
right? How do we identify that? We are going to use couple of tools. Okay, this will be documented, it will be useful for you. Okay, number one,
Okay.
Google auto suggest feature. Have you ever heard that? What is that? Google
No, I am
auto
not.
suggest feature, number one.
No.
Okay, we can use another tool which is basically called Uber suggest. Now this has become a paid tool, but you can have it as a choice. Okay,
Okay.
number one
So
is Google.
HRF is also there now?
There are thousands of tools, gentlemen. There are thousands of
Okay.
tools. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, Google
Okay.
Auto Suggest is one such feature. Google related searches is yet another feature. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Uber Suggest is one of the third party tool. Okay. And LSI Graph. This is one of the third party tool.
Okay.
Okay. There are lots of tools available, but let me tell you this. Okay. Google Auto Suggest feature. Now, what is this? You have seen this, but you have never realized it. See, the same thing now. When I go ahead and say, when I start typing actor, Google suggests me, correct? It is suggesting me now, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me say, let me be very specific to Tamil space actor, right? Now Google says, whomsoever the people who are searching with the combination of Tamil and actor, they have searched the list also. See, Tamil actor list, correct?
Yes.
And people are searching Tamil actor Vijay, age, Tamil actor Karthik, correct?
Yes.
Right? Let me say I'm going to search with how people search with Hindi, right? Hindi film actor, Hindi movie actor, Hindi serial actor, Hindi actor who died. Now people are searching about Hindi actor who died. You are getting a point? They are
Yes,
little
sir.
curious about who died recently, right? So now I'm narrowing it down. Still, Hindi actor died. When I select this, now Hindi actor died recently, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Hindi actor died in 2020, right? Who died yesterday? Okay, serial actor who died. Okay, now you can be very specific. Hindi serial actor who died today,
Today.
correct?
Yes.
See, now Hindi serial actor's death today. Now this is what is my final keyword. I can choose this keyword to write content about. You're getting your point?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because people are searching this, Google is suggesting me. If there is no demand, Google will not tell me. Okay. So I started with the word actor and I narrowed it down by adding the word Hindi. Then I selected the Hindi serial, Hindi actor along with the word death based on the suggestions. Correct.
Correct.
Right? Like this, I can try to get more keywords related to these searches. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, number one. So I can get
So
more
this,
keywords also. This is one keyword. Okay. So Hindi actors death today. I'm talking about very specific serial. Okay, serial actor. Now what I can do? So Hindi serial actors death today. So this is the topic keyword which I'm going to choose. Okay, Hindi actors death today. That's it. So this is going to be my keyword. We call this one as focus keyword. Okay, which means we are going to focus on this keyword to write the content. Okay,
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
yeah,
That Google autocorrect, that auto suggest is there now, sir.
yeah.
That will be changing day to day, every day, or it would take some specific time to change, sir.
No, no, this is a live.
Like,
The tool is a live tool.
யா சார்,
Right?
அதான் நீங்க சொன்னீங்களே, அப்போ நம்ம நீங்க சர்ச் பண்றீங்க, நாங்க சர்ச் பண்றோம், அதே மாதிரி எல்லாருமே சர்ச், நிறைய பேர் எதை சர்ச் பண்ணிருக்காங்களோ அதானே சார் அது சஜஸ்ட்
Yeah, yeah,
பண்ணுது.
that is a trending nature.
அப்போ அப்போ வந்து அந்த நிறைய பேர் சஜஸ்ட் பண்றது வந்து டெய்லியுமே ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் அதிகமா யார் என்ன சர்ச் பண்றாங்களோ அதை சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுமா, இல்ல ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட டைம் வரைக்கும் அது அப்படியே இருக்குங்களா சார்?
When I say it is a live, which means இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் what people are searching is what it will show you.
ஓகே 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 ஓகே.
Okay.
லைவ் மீன்ஸ் ஃபார் ஒன்லி ஃபார் டுடே.
Not only for today.
ஓகே.
Till today means from whenever
Yeah.
Google started.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
Okay. Till today.
ஓகே.
But if
Yeah.
generally it will be trending. Basically, what people are searching is what we will try to understand. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So the one tool is Google Auto Suggest Future. Whatever you type here, Google is gonna tell you. Okay. Right.
so Google auto suggest feature that we have discussed over, it is absolutely free, right? Anyone can do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
That is the specialty of my sessions. Yeah.
You no need to buy HRFs or SEMrush or Moz, anything. It is not required. You can
AHRF,
directly
Sunrise
go.
or Moss, you have to spend minimum 8,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees
Yes,
every month, man.
yes,
Okay.
and it is coming free. Google auto suggest feature. So
Yeah, see,
Google is going to give you the feedback what
yes,
the exact keyword should be.
that is
So
what
if you
it is,
put
right?
that, yes, you're going to get the result delivered within a second.
Yes. So Google is the leading person in search engine industry, right? If
Yes,
they themselves are giving you the data on what are the words that their users are searching, which one you need to
yes,
trust? If Ahrefs is giving you 1,000 keywords,
yes.
do you think Google is selling all the keyword database to Ahref, Moz, SEMrush?
No, cannot.
Now, how do you trust from which source that they have taken a content or details from? How do you say that?
Yes,
The source in which
yes,
the content is taken is not validated, right?
yes.
Okay. So, see, if you are going to get married, how do you get the details of the bride or bridegroom? Go and ask their mom, dad, or blood relationship. Okay. So when they
Mm-hmm.
say something wrong, you can question them later. Hey, you only told. Correct.
Yes.
If you go and ask a neighbor, that neighbor will be having lots of problem with the particular girl or a boy. The boy might be even in a one side love with the girl, so he might be giving you a negative review. What will you do?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So let us ask the product owner, the girl's father and mother itself. What will you ask? Do your daughter have a boyfriend, boy bestie, all those things, correct?
Mhm. Yes.
If the dad says no, 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 then after the marriage, if there is a problem, you can tell your dad, you told there is no boy bestie for your daughter, but she has one. What can I do now? Now you are authoritative to ask them, okay?
Mm-hmm.
If you go and ask neighbor and they'll be telling you, yeah, yeah, she has hundreds and hundreds of boy besties. Then now what do you do?
Yes.
You will get data, right? But that is not the trusted source, correct?
Yes.
It's very important. I can say in Tamil Nadu there are hundreds and hundreds of COVID positive cases who are dying. But I need to
Mm-hmm.
trust only the data given by the WHO, World Health Organization. That is
Yes.
what it will speak, correct?
Yes.
The data given by the local people will not speak, correct? That doesn't take it.
Yes.
Okay. So the first success which we were talking about was Google Auto Suggest feature, correct?
Yes.
When I hit enter, after the results are displayed, this is called SERP, search engine results page. Okay. If you come down to the bottom, you can see, oh my god, in this example there is no results being shown. Okay. This example nothing is being shown. Let me try here in the actors. Okay. Because of displaying 100 results possible. Okay, let me change the settings. Tools or settings, search settings. Instead of 100, I will display only 10 results. Okay. Now when I say Hindi actors, I get only 10 results. Okay.
Yes.
Even now that doesn't show. Okay, let me try with the different keyword. Let me go
Okay.
with latest Tamil movie. Okay. So there is some results coming in, and I go to the bottom. And can you see there is something called searches related to Tamil movies? Can you see here?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You can take these related searches also for your consideration. Okay. You can take choice of words from, see if it is coming, you can see it. Otherwise, you cannot, you don't need to see that. Okay. Right. In the previous search, there was no related search term, correct? Okay.
Yes.
But here it is showing. So you can consider these words, now Tamil movies, new Tamil movies. And obviously, if you are searching about something which is not there, it will not show you. I tell you very frank, okay? Not necessarily that it has to show you everything.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense? Okay.
Yes.
So there is a tool called Uber Suggest. This is a third-party tool. Okay, Uber Suggest. You can go to Google and start searching for Uber Suggest. This is one of the third-party tool which is offered for free. Now it is paid, but you can use it for some time. Okay.
Okay.
Where you can go enter a keyword like again South Indian actor, something like that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
South Indian actor. Hit search. This tool extracts data from Google Auto Suggest and the related searches. Okay,
Okay.
it takes data from there and it gives us in a single window. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we don't have any keyword ideas for this keyword, which means there is 1600 search volume, but no keyword ideas. How is it possible? Yeah. See. So there
So
might
it
be
is
a
not, it is
technical
not,
issue. Okay. So we
so
can
it is
just
not
give it a try
functioning
again.
properly.
Yes, sir. Come again, please.
No, so this Uber suggest now doesn't function properly due to
I
some
don't
server
know.
issue. It seems.
I don't know. Now it is coming. Can you see?
Okay, okay, okay.
So it is giving some related such as like South Indian actor, South Indian actress, South Indian actors, South Indian actor male, Vijay female. So these are the keywords related to South Indian actor. Correct. So you can input a word and take some output. Make sense? Uber suggest. You can use any tool boss, that is your choice. But these are a few suggested tools. LSI graph. Okay? LSI graph. You can click on this tool. The same like what we did there in Uber suggest. Okay, South Indian actor. You can feed the keyword here. South Indian. Correct? Now click on generate. This is going to check and like same as Uber suggest. LSI graph is also going to show you something. Make sense? See, South Indian actors photo gallery, Vijay South Indian actors, Mahesh Babu South Indian actors. So there is lots of information being shown.
Yes.
So now you can use any of the tool whichever I suggested to identify information related to the keywords that people are searching online. Okay, there will be more keywords here, there will be more choices, there will be more words available, but you need to choose one among those of your choice, and that keyword is called a focus keyword. We're getting a point.
Yes, sir.
So now the complete content of your website must discuss about Hindi serial actress. Okay, number one. Okay, it must discuss about Hindi serial actors death. Make sense? Okay, your content should talk about serial actors. Serial actors. Okay, so now when you discuss your content with the combination of these three, now it is related to your focus keyword, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
You should not be discussing about movie content. You should not be discussing about a stage program. You are expected to discuss only about serial actors. Okay, Hindi serial
Mhm.
actors, Hindi serial actors death. Okay, now
Yes,
by
sir.
using these combination and this keyword as a focus keyword, you are expected to create a content around this topic. Okay, where the content is at least somewhere from 500 to 1000 words length. Okay,
Okay.
500 to 1000 words length. The content is unique. Please don't copy paste. Okay, no copy paste. Okay, with this requirement, let me say you are having a 500 word article or 1000 word article. You know how do I design this 500 or 1000 words article? I make sure that I take 10 subheadings. Okay, you're getting a point.
Yes, sir.
I will take 10 subheadings, and each subheading is minimum 100 words. You're getting a point.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Each subheading will be written with 100 words. So when I end up writing my 10 subheadings, I will have an article of 1000 words. Okay.
Yes.
Now, why should I write 1000 word article? Because only when I write an article in the long form, I can add more choice of words inside. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are all the subheadings which I am going to write for the content? Number one, what we are going to use the technique called 6 wife and 1 husband. Happy, right? Right. We are going to use a technique called 6 wife and 1 husband. What is that? Right. W W W W W W and the finally H. Correct. What, where, when, why, which, who, and how. Make sense?
Yes.
Right.
What, where, when, why, which, who, and how. Now, what are we going to do? What is a serial? First subtopic is ready.
Yes.
Okay. The next one is who are serial actress. Correct.
Correct.
Second subtopic is ready.
Yes.
Right. The third one, where do serial actors live? Got it?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
you can generate it based on your own thoughts. That is your choice. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what we can do, you can again use Google Auto Suggest Picture. How to use that? First, select what, okay,
Mm.
and add serial. Okay. Now,
Okay.
look at this combination: what plus serial. Okay. Now, there are lots of things related to what is serial. Correct. And it is
Yes.
talking about killers, but we are not going to discuss about killers. We are going to talk about actors only. Correct.
Yes.
Okay, actors. Now we are very specific. Serial actors. Along with serial actors, I'm going to add the word what. Okay. Now, what is serial actress? Now, this is the question. I got one question, correct?
Yes.
Now, what is serial? What is serial actress? I guessed it.
Yes.
Right? So, who are serial actors? What is serial actors? I can write a content about this one.
Yes.
Right? At the same time, okay. Now, what is what I used? Now, I'm going to use who. Instead of what, I'm going to type who space. So who is a serial actress? From there is a specific serial. Okay, who is the best serial actress? See, who is a serial actress? I'm getting lots of questions from auto suggest,
Yes.
right? So who is a serial actress? Now I'm adding these things in my content because people are searching. Now next to who, I'm going to add. Let me say how. How and serial actors. How to become a TV or serial actors, how to become a TV serial actors. Now they are talking about salary also, correct?
Yes.
How to become a TV serial actors. Okay, you can write about this. Okay, you can also write about how much salary, correct?
Correct.
Right. Now, if you want to be very specific about death, now add death also in your choice of words. For example, serial actor death. Correct. This is your focus keyword.
Mm-hmm.
Add what
Yes.
and see what are all the keywords related to what. There is no keyword related to what and how,
Mhm.
where. Okay. Serial actor death. So there are no lots of demand. So writing about those demand is not that much huge. Okay. Right. So now what I have done, I have chosen some subtopics here. Now the deal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what I have selected. Correct.
Yes.
Now I can use this technique to write 10 subheadings. Okay. Now, what is a serial is a subheading. Now, if you know about what is a serial, you can start writing the content. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't know what you are supposed to do, copy this, again go to Google and simply search in Google. Okay. There will be lots of information coming, and you can see what is a serial. A serial is defined by any publication issued in successive parts which are intended to be continued indefinitely, which means a consecutive part published on indefinitely. There is no end indirectly. It will take long time to finish. Okay.
Yes.
So it can be a print, it can be non-print or electronic. Okay, so that is what a serial basically means. Okay, now by doing a Google search, now I know what is a serial is. Okay,
Yes.
now I'm going here and I'm going to define what is a serial. I'm going to choose voice typing. Instead of English US, I will choose English India because my accent is not US accent. Okay, what is serial? Now I'm going to tell serial is a process of continuous program that is published on a regular and periodical basis, which does not have a definite ending period. The serial can be a print format, a video format, and also a educational format too. See, this is what I understand based on the content which I read in Google. That's it, correct?
Yes.
Sir,
Now what happens?
sir,
I
here one doubt is there.
yes, sir,
Hello.
please.
Sir, actually, now we are trying to uh, write a content for a keyword search for a serial actor, something like that.
Okay.
So in such a case,
Mhm.
we are writing the content for meaning of serial,
Okay.
the word serial.
Yeah.
So will it connect or will it connect?
We have to connect it.
So that
Now,
is why my doubt is
mhm,
when we talk about what is serial in this particular keyword research, we
mhm.
have to write a content on TV channel serial only, no, not.
See, whenever we write a content, we need to think that we are the experts, okay?
Okay, okay,
And the person who is going to read the content is dumb. He doesn't know anything, okay?
okay, okay,
In that scenario, first we need to explain them from the basic what is what. Then your content should discuss about in-depth detail when the content goes deeper and longer. Okay, because we know the word, the meaning of the word serial doesn't mean that the person who is coming and reading the content may know the content also. Okay,
okay.
so we are going to have a single paragraph of defining what is serial, and next we are going to tell them who is a serial actress. We are coming to the point.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Now here
That
what
means
do
we
we
are.
say? We say a person,
okay,
an actor, a person, or we call them as an actor, right? An actor who takes part in the series of maybe a TV program or an educational program or any other event, whatever we call it as. Correct. Now, like Mr. Raju said, we can add it here. Correct. Now,
okay,
if I'm little bit doubtful, again I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into Google and I'm going to see what Google is going to tell. I'm going to grab information from there. Okay,
okay,
I'm not going to copy paste. Gentlemen, please note that I'm not going to copy paste. Correct.
okay, okay.
I will gather knowledge and I will write it in my own style. You are getting a point?
That is
In my own
unique
word.
style, as you said, unique style.
Can you please come again, sir?
No, that is what you said, unique style. It's a
Yeah,
fresh.
yeah. Your
Okay,
choice of words, your method of delivering is unique always. Okay.
unique. Okay.
Okay. So now serial actors falls into the category actor. Okay. Now an actor is a person who portrays a character in a performance. The actor performance in the traditional medium of theater or modern cinema like film, radio, and television. We got the point?
Yes.
Now I'm going to define here serial actors. Now, how I'm going to define? A serial actress is also a person who is pursuing a profession of acting. In general, the responsibility of the person is to portray a character that is defined for her. Deen வந்துருச்சு. Okay. Now இந்த மாதிரி mistake it will come, so we need to fix it. Okay.
Yeah, that
So
is.
in
Yeah.
general, okay, the responsibility of the person is to portray the character that is defined for her. Okay, for him or her. Actors we have said, so for her. Okay. Now you can still go start searching in Google to learn more information about this, and you can try to say there is something called film, radio, and television, right? Okay, in general. Okay, so these programs are broadcasted or telecasted in mediums like radio, television, cinema halls, and so on. Now, so what I'm trying to say here is, gentlemen, you can phrase n number of subheadings for you. Okay, right? You can add any keyword related to your focus keyword and develop the content, gather information from multiple sources, especially validated sources. Okay, and create your content one paragraph after another. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you develop content for remaining 8 to 9 subtopics?
Yes.
Now, after that, what you can do, you can look for some images or you can create some images. You can look for some statistical information like how many actors have done this serial this year, how many of them were successful, how many of them died, how many of them died naturally, how many of them. So, like this, correct?
Yes.
So, this is simply a skeleton of the content. And once you start writing the skeleton of the content, you can again try to make this content enriched by adding a video, by adding an image of your own, or by adding a statistical report from different sources. You are getting a point?
Yes, sir.
And this is how a content is written from the scratch and closed till the end. Make sense?
Yes, sir.